Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Deel accept Payoneer? I know that a lot of you are looking for ways to get paid for your work, and Deel is a great platform for freelancers and contractors. But if you're already using Payoneer, you might be wondering if you can use it with Deel. So, let's get started. What is Deel? Before we get into the details of whether or not Deel accepts Payoneer, let's take a quick look at what Deel is. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and pay employees and contractors from anywhere in the world. Deel handles all of the paperwork and compliance for you, so you can focus on your work. What is Payoneer? Payoneer is a global payment platform that allows you to receive payments from all over the world. Payoneer is a great option for freelancers and contractors, as it makes it easy to get paid from clients in different countries. Does Deel accept Payoneer? Yes, Deel accepts Payoneer. This is great news for anyone who is already using Payoneer, as it means that you can continue to use it with Deel. How to set up Payoneer with Deel? Setting up Payoneer with Deel is easy. All you need to do is sign up for a Deel account. Go to your Deel dashboard and click on the Settings tab. Select Payment Methods from the left-hand menu. Click on the Add Payment Method button. Select Payoneer from the list of payment methods. Enter your Payoneer email address and account number. Click on the Save button. Once you've set up Payoneer with Deel, you can start receiving payments from your clients. Benefits of using Payoneer with Deel. There are a number of benefits to using Payoneer with Deel. Easy to set up. It's easy to set up Payoneer with Deel. Global reach. Payoneer is available in over 200 countries, so you can use it to get paid from clients all over the world. Low fees. Payoneer has low fees so you can keep more of your money. Fast transfers. Payoneer transfers are typically processed within 24 hours. Deel is a great platform for freelancers and contractors, and Payoneer is a great payment platform. If you're looking for a way to get paid for your work, I highly recommend using Deel with Payoneer. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Payoneer with Deel. Make sure that your Payoneer account is verified before you start using it with Deel. Keep track of your Payoneer transactions so that you can reconcile your accounts. If you have any questions about using Payoneer with Deel, you can contact Deel support. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Deel or Payoneer, please click on the links below. Deel, Payoneer. I would also love to hear from you if you have any questions about using Deel or Payoneer. Please leave a comment below or contact me on social media. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.